This is how to factory reset, hard reset the Sky B63. This is what it looks like, and this is how we do it. We're going to hold down power and volume up at the same time. We're going to push volume up first, now power. And it's going to take just a few seconds. Be patient here, about 5 more seconds. And we're looking for the white menu in the center of the screen. There we are. Now let go. And now we're going to use volume. So we're going to use volume up first, and we're going to scroll up to choose the recovery mode. Oop, went too far. All right, there we go, recovery mode. Now we don't press power, we press volume down for OK. And it's going to cycle through, and depending on your phone, it may take just 3 or 5 seconds. It may take 10 to 20 seconds. And there we go. So at this screen, fallen Android, no command. Now we're going to hold down power and then quick touch volume up. Hold down power, quick touch volume up, just like that. And it brings up the Android recovery menu, which is what we want. Now we're going to use volume, and we're going to scroll. We're going to look for wipe data factory reset right there. We're going to press OK with power. And they want you to confirm this will wipe all user data, and this cannot be undone. And we're going to scroll down with volume, factory data reset, and press OK, yes. And then down here, we're going to look for the wipe data complete to confirm that the phone has now been wiped and is ready to reboot. Now it is safe to reboot the system. Remember that if you do have your Gmail or Google account on here, you'll need to then log in with your Gmail or Google account. But this is how you factory reset the Sky B63. If this has helped you, please like, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.